it's Kay. She's gonna make us cook something healthy. Oh no! Hey, look, it's Kay Lee from the Food Network.
Not this time,
Aww.
but I do have a chance for you guys to meet her and show her how good you can cook,
Awesome.
as long as it's healthy.
I'm in.
Hi, I'm Kay,
I'm Brandon.
I'm Aaron. And I'm Chris.
and we're the Providence Cooks team, and we've been invited to Charleston to the Cooking Well Invitational on September the 25th and 26th.
Wait till you see what we can do.
Come and cheer us on as we show the world how Providence cooks. See you
See
there.
ya.